Hello, my name is Samer, and today let's see how to use the Peoples tab in SpacesEDU. From there, you can easily invite students, family members, and co-teachers, access your own student account, and view engagement data. With SpacesEDU, it is easy to explore the teacher and student experience from one account, allowing you to view your own class and join a school or district professional development class as a student. Simply click on your avatar in the top right-hand corner to switch between accounts. If your school or district licenses SpacesEDU, you might find that your class is already rostered upon login. If they are not, you can invite your students using two options: a simple class code to share or Google Classroom integration. Your students can log in using their email and password, or you can generate a QR code to simplify the student login process. QR codes can be scanned using the mobile application or internet browser on your phone or tablet. Inviting family members to SpacesEDU is a great way to provide insight into their students' learning journey and establishing open communication between school and home. If your district is licensing SpacesEDU, you might find that family email addresses are pre-populated under each student name. In this case, simply click Invite Family, then choose to invite one, several, or all linked contacts. If not, you can simply add them manually. When you're ready, click Invite Family to send an email invitation to set up their SpacesEDU account and join your class. If you're teaching collaboratively or looking to include additional classroom support into SpacesEDU, you can invite up to 10 co-teachers into your class via the Teachers tab. If licensed, these invites will require approval at the administrative level of your school or district. Now that you've invited students and families into your classroom and have spent time supporting and communicating their learning journeys, use the Class Engagement Dashboard to monitor the level of engagement within the class. Simply click on the dashboard to learn more about how and when students and families are engaging within your class in SpacesEDU. Our Class Engagement Dashboard includes a date and timestamp showing the last time each student and family member visited your SpacesEDU classroom. A great tool for understanding engagement and starting proactive conversations. This has been your introduction to the People tab. Now it's time for you to get started.